Welcome to Gozroth Tutorials. I'm Gozroth, and today we're going to dive into how to create and publish our first world using the new desktop editor for Horizon Worlds. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. And for our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Also, don't forget to join our Discord server to connect with our community and continue the conversation. And if you love our content, consider supporting us on Patreon to help keep these tutorials coming. Links to both will be in the video description below. Now let's get started. When you launch the desktop editor from the MetaQuest Link app, you'll be presented with the Creation Home screen. Here you will be presented with your worlds, some tutorials, some templates, and documentation that you can view. We are just going to go over how to create your new world, and in order to do that, all you have to do is click on the New World button in the top right. Clicking the New World button will not give us a prompt anymore. It will automatically create a blank world and launch it in edit mode. Now, there is a lot of buttons in the desktop editor, a lot of UI changes that you may or may not be comfortable with, and we will go over those in a separate video. However, the only thing that we want to go over is how do we publish the world. So in order to do this, we're going to go to the top right corner, this blue button where it says Publish, and we're going to click on that. This brings up a new prompt for publishing our world, and it's going to give us some information. It's going to give us the status of the world. Currently, this world is unpublished because we have never published the world previously. Next, it's going to give us the name of the world. And currently, our name is New World. This is the default name for all new worlds, and we're going to change that to My First World. You can give it a description, it's completely optional. For the world rating, if we click on this information icon, give us a prompt that kind of goes over the different types of world ratings, and if we click OK and then click on Get Rating, we will be presented with a short survey of what may or may not be in the world. Be as truthful as possible, because if some of these things are in your world and a Meta employee finds out, or somebody reports it, or for whatever reason, Meta can change the rating, unpublish the world, and even delete the world. So just be as truthful as possible with doing the survey. Hit next, and then you'll be presented with a question of who do you want to see your world? Can anybody see your world, or do you only want adults to see your world? Select your option and then hit next. You'll be presented with the rating that Horizon is giving you for your world. Hit OK, and then we need to select a comfort rating. Comfort rating is more for VR visitors. So we need to click the not rated drop down, and we can select comfortable, moderate, or intense. Again, be as truthful as possible. Tags, if we hover over the information icon, it'll say tags help people find your world and understand what to expect before they join. If you click on add tags, you can select 1 to 3. You do need to have at least one, and they don't have a tag for everything, but try to pick ones that are as close as possible to your world. I'm going to pick social, and then we can go down to mute assist. If we click on this information icon, it'll explain what is mute assist. So you can hit OK and then toggle that on or off based on if you want it or not. And then if we click on our change thumbnail here, we can select a photo that we have taken with our camera, or we can take a photo by clicking this button here. Visible to public, if this is toggled on, you'll be able to search it in the menu, but if it's toggled off, you will not be able to. Members only worlds, only people who are members are allowed to access it, and in order to become a member, the creator has to give you access. But if you set this to true and publish it, you cannot change it. And if you have it set to hidden when you publish it, you can't change it to public. So you just be mindful of what the settings are if you plan on doing a members only world. Beta world, it has no effect on the world whatsoever. It's just a tag for the world saying that, hey, this world is under development, and it may or may not be the end experience once it's released. Available through web and mobile. So if the world is available through web and mobile but not optimized for web and mobile, people will be able to access it on their devices, on their phone, on their laptop, whatever. and they'll be presented with a notification saying, hey, this world is not optimized for mobile, but you can still access it. If you don't want that notification, click on this optimized for web and mobile. If you do toggle this on, please make sure that your world is optimized for web and mobile. And then once you have everything set up the way you want, you just hit publish. And then it'll ask you to confirm. You hit confirm. And then if it is the very first time you have published the world, you'll be presented with this publishing notice, and it just kind of goes over the rights of you as the creator and Meta as the owner of the ecosystem. Select agree, and then it will publish the world. Now, keep in mind, even though that we did have it set to available through web and mobile, it can take time for a world to be actually found through the web and mobile search interface. And that is all I have for creating and publishing our first world using the desktop editor. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this video, please let me know in the comment section below or join our Discord server. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified of all future videos. And again, if you love our content, please consider supporting us on Patreon. Links for both Discord and Patreon will be in the description of this video. And yeah, thanks for watching and have a good one.